Yeah, my name is Tim Brown and I am a resident of Samoa. We run a business here called Samoan Highland Adventures, part of Samoan Highland Hideaway, and our destination here, which you'll see later, is the Papaseea Sliding Rocks, and it's a great destination, fantastic place, just 10 minutes out of Apia, downtown Apia, and it's one of the many destinations that we do as our unique adventures. So anyone coming to Samoa, you'll be able to see we have fantastic things to do, and this is one of the best ones we can do within close proximity to Samoa, to Apia. Anyway, that's a part of who we are, and we run these tours, basically different selections of tours throughout the week, and come and join us. We run Samoan Highland Adventures, and this is an adventure. We'll take you to destinations in Samoa that nobody else goes to. We look forward to having you join with us. Come on into Samoa and do some adventure tours with us.